That is the Galaxy Tab Active3 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. Open first the settings app and then scroll to the wallpaper and style. Here click to change wallpapers and you'll see here all of the default wallpapers, photos from your device gallery, downloaded from the internet or taken on your device camera, or just regular default wallpapers. Also you could use the online wallpapers, but to use them be sure that you're connected to the internet or to the mobile data or to the Wi-Fi. For example, let's select one from the net wallpapers and select home screen. If you want to select this set this wallpaper onto the lock screen, tap to next, click to done, and that's it. Change applied to the lock screen. And also we get one more way how we could do that. Just first hold for a while home screen with your finger, tap to wallpaper and style, and by the same way tap to change wallpaper. Let's just select one from the downloaded, tap to done and select home screen, click to next, done, and that's it. Let's just check the changes here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs ups and subscribe.